Hello all, so this is a complete web application as an expense tracker web application which is completely created by Claude in just 60 minutes. So let's demo with this web application which is completely created by Claude. So let's start. So this is our welcome sign in page, so where we can sign in with Google, which is pretty good, and we can continue with the email and password as well. For that we have a register button so that we can register and log in over here, and we have a forgot password functionality over here as well, which is good as well. So I have a user created over here, so let's use that user to have a demo for this. So yep, I'm able to sign in this project. So I have an event called as house construction, which total expense of around something up to 3 lakh and around 8 transactions where 2 members are there. So let's see. So these are all list of transactions we can see over here, which are all present over here, maybe in the Excel format or whatever that may be. Cool. So we have this analytics folder as well. So we have ton of dashboards over here, which is first is by payment method. So around most of the payment is done by UPI, which we can see over here, and a few of done by cash as well. So we have another dashboard like which has spending by person. So this person has spent most around 220, and then this person, and then this person, which is fine. And third dashboard which is created over here is like we have by category as well. So utilities have this much amount of expense, and material cost is this, and labor cost is this. And fourth one as well, which have spending over time, like for which date we have spent amount. Like for 16 March we have spent around 30,000, and for 18 March we have spent around 120, and for 19 March we have spent around 250k and all. So this is pretty good as well. So let's analyze with this AI query, like what we can do with this. So basically, let's say most top spender is Sagar, let's say. So let's see where all he has spent, though it is listed in the transactions as well, but we want to create a dashboard for that. So let's see, create a dashboard for Sagar by listing all the expenses done by him in this event. Cool. So we have given this query to Claude. So let's see how Claude will be able to analyze all the transactions done by Sagar and whether he is able to create a dashboard in this or not. So let's see. Just waiting for a few seconds. Maybe Claude is working on it. And yeah, he has created around this. You can see that AI has replies that Sagar has around 6 expenses in the house construction event, totaling around to 220, which was listed in the previous dashboards as well. So these expenses include material, labor, and utilities categories as well, with construction labor being the largest single expense of 1 lakh. So we can see like these are the expenses or all of these. So let me ask him again, like what was the date? What was the date for construction labor payment date? That's it. So let me see like when Sagar has paid for construction. So let's see, Claude has a list of all transactions, whether he is able to fetch the date in this case or not. So let's see, let's wait for Claude to analyze this. And yeah, pretty good. He is able to analyze this, like what was the date of the construction labor payment date. The construction payment labor payment was done on 20 March 2026, so which is pretty good in this case. So we can interact with AI with all of list of transactions which we want to do. Like it is pretty good applications created by Claude. And next tab which we have is members as well. So we have 2 members, though we have seen like in the analytics folder like we have 3 persons. So which seems like this Rahul named person is not a permanent user in this application. So he's a temporary user. So we have just listed his name, but though he has made some expenses over there, so that's why he's present over here. So yeah, that's very good application created by Claude. So well done.